This is an '07 K7230 axle flow combine. Right now it's about 41 degrees, I think. A little above freezing. So we're gonna get in here and start her up. Damn, I'm trying to hold the damn camera and go up the stairs at the same fucking time. Big ass fucking tires on it. Almost damn near new. Oh, don't you tell me Dad locked the fucking combine before he left. Okay, here we go. Alright, good. Alright, where's the key? Alright, gotta wait a minute. Yeah, we're starting this up. We're warming this up this early is because we're selling the farm. We're selling everything we have. So, got all the tractors in there. I might show you in a little bit. I might show you later. But, shit. The sale is going to be on March 10th. And, on March 10th, we're selling everything from tractors to even that fucking trailer with chemicals. Even that piece of shit forklift that has been running in 10, 15 years, maybe 15, I don't know. That's a brand new aluminum grain trailer. Yeah, a lot of money and time was invested in this farm. Alright, let's see if it'll start. All the other stuff. There's even more behind, but I can't get a good look at it. Let's see here. All the controls are working. Fuel low, bullshit. Alright, running good. Motor sounds fine. Stupid little horn. Where the fuck? Well, that's it. 7230 and fuck. Sorry about that. Just woke up. 7230 AFS axle flow combine. Cold start. It wasn't necessarily a cold start, but oh fucking well. I don't care. I just like starting it up. Well, there's going to be a couple more cold starts in the next couple days because I'm going to be working on the equipment and some shit. So, alright, stay tuned for Jackson Wonder's image. And make sure to subscribe. Bye-bye.